Hi, today we'll cook some delicious breakfast sandwiches with egg, ham, and cheese. Very easy to make, ready in 10 minutes. First, we get the slices of bread ready. For the egg, we cut some shapes into the first slice. We do this for all the slices. On a baking tray, we put 4 slices of bread. Then add some ham. I have pork and chicken ham, but you can put any you like, turkey or beef. Then we add the cheese slices. You can add any cheese you like, cheddar, mozzarella. We add another layer of bread. Then the top ones. We put 1 egg in each hole. Add some mozzarella cheese on top. And some melted butter to make them look nice. And also gives them a better taste. Then, we put them in the oven at 180 degrees until brown, and it is ready. Tasty, easy and quick. Follow me for more recipes. Thank you for watching.